Oh Ian, don't worry, Dorothy and Alex will prove the truth. What is more, they will find these monsters. They will make them pay for what they did.
The town, completely burnt down. What a sorry sight. And the people there, innocent and harmless. Unarmed, with a few exceptions. Oh joy, I feel dreadfully sorry for these people. Mind-boggling, they are all dead.
One more day to stay, but since it falls into my lot that I should rise and you should not, oh gently rise and softly come. Good night and go.
This house seems to be unoccupied. What do you think, Colin? Shall we move in and start all over again? Is it big enough?
For now, as a temporary arrangement, why not? We will patch it, Lizzie.
Good night and God be with you all.
Are you ready?
I think so. Oh Jason. So many people. Now I'm a bit nervous.
There's no reason at all, Sally. Family and friends. All of them are nice people. They will like you. And you have already met Ian and Dorothy.
As you know, my sister's nuts, and my future brother-in-law as well, it can't be helped. We have to deal with that, a whole lifetime.
If that's all. Hey Lucy, I think that's great. They are in a festive mood. They are dancing, I like them.
Yeah, but of course I like them too.
Hey, aren't you hungry guys? Hey Thomas, what kind of question is this? Actually, I am starving.
Hey, I'm also starving.
Alright, so what are you waiting for? Dinner is ready. You know what, old Bradley Sr., ancient Mr. King? Your grandson's way better than you. Let him do it. I want him to play the fiddle. Moreover, I don't like you, as a side note. And we all know why. What's that you say, Pinhead? You heard me, Skinny. You are still offended, you know, Pearl, Big Brave Bear, and so on. What do you know? Go to hell, George.
I like you, George.
And I like you. Oh, Hope, please, talk to me. Paige, she ignores me completely.
Hey, you proposed marriage to Miss Sally, what do you expect, Reverend?
Oh, she became aware of that. I mean,
I was there, Luke, I heard it. I heard everything, every single word.
At the end I told Miss Sally that I love you, with all my heart. Did you hear that?